Hello guys, Jeffrey speaking here. So today I would like to do a review for my TPU keyboard protector. So today the title will be the comparison of a silicone and TPU keyboard protector. So as you can see in front of you is my newly bought TPU keyboard protector for my notebook, that is the Lenovo Y450. So actually I have used a silicone keyboard protector for my notebook since I think half a years ago, and the experience is not quite good. So that's the reason why I switched to the TPU keyboard protector. And now I would like to show to you guys my previous silicone keyboard protector. So as you can see, this is the silicone keyboard protector, and I will put it side by side to show some difference between the TPU keyboard protector and silicone keyboard protector. So first of all, I would like to talk about the physical properties of these two different materials keyboard protector. So as you know, these two keyboard protectors are made from different materials. The one is TPU, one is silicone. So of course the properties of these two keyboard protectors will be different. So as you can see, the TPU keyboard protector, the transparency degree for this one is higher compared to the silicone type. The silicone type, as you can see, the color would be a little bit yellowish compared to the TPU keyboard protector, which is, I can say, is almost transparent. And of course the aesthetic value for TPU keyboard protector will be nicer, as when I put the TPU keyboard protector on my keyboard, I can see clearly the alphabets, the symbols, the numbers of my keyboards. As for the silicone type, it will makes my keyboard, the symbols, the alphabets, a little bit blurry, and that is one of the disadvantage of silicone keyboard protector. However, although the silicone keyboard protector is not that clear, but the material, as you can see here, is a little bit rubberized. And as for the TPU keyboard protector, it's a little bit stiff. And the advantage of being rubberized texture, the silicone keyboard protector, when I put it on my keyboard, it won't slip so easily, so it has a better grip on my keyboard. But for the TPU type, it will be a little bit slippery. You see, when I move a little bit, I put some force and it will easily come out from my keyboard, and that is the disadvantage of TPU keyboard protector. Besides that, the stiffness of these two materials are giving a different feeling to the typers. A lot of users out there and YouTubers also asking this question. Is it the stiffness of the TPU keyboard protector will be higher compared to the silicone keyboard protector? And the answer is yes. And can it, or could it affect the typing speed, or the typing? For me, it doesn't affect so much. It still feels really nice. It gives a really great response, and I love it. The silicone type, it also giving the same feeling to me. So for me, it doesn't give that much of different in terms of stiffness. And the third one I want to talk about is the surface. So the surface of the TPU keyboard protector is really smooth. So if you have oily fingers and you lay your fingers on this TPU keyboard protector, you do not need to worry about that, because you can easily wipe it out using a wet cloth. A damp cloth is really easy. But for the silicone type, I doubt it, because as I have mentioned before, the surface of this silicone keyboard protector is a little bit rubberized, so it gives some texture on it. So when the dust, for example, stick on the silicone keyboard protector, it is a little bit hard to use a damp cloth or the wet cloth to wipe it out, because the dust or the dirt is still visible. So usually you have to wash it under tap water, or for my case, I will use a toothbrush to brush the surface of the silicone to make it cleaner. And the fourth one I would like to talk about is the elasticity. So the elasticity for the silicone is really high, and for the TPU keyboard protector, it is not that elastic. So the next thing I would like to talk about is the method, or how we are going to clean these two different materials keyboard protector. So usually the cleaning method is almost the same. I have actually regarding on these problems, or these methods, I have referred to one of the resellers in eBay, and I asked him this question on how to clean up the keyboard protector, and he taught me to wash them using a warm water, which is around 60 to 70 degrees Celsius. I think the reason maybe it will be the dirt will be easily removed if you use a warm water compared to a cold water. And the second thing you have to bear in mind is you can only use the soft detergent, for example hand soap or dish detergent. You cannot use the body soap, or for example, or shampoo to. So in conclusion, I'm really satisfied with my newly bought TPU keyboard protector. However, it only gives me one problem, that is, it is a little bit slippery. Yeah, that's all guys. So please remember to subscribe to me for more videos. Thumbs up if you like my videos, and thumbs down if you do not like my videos. And ciao.